Hey everyone, welcome to Creating with Tina, and today I want to start one of a three-part series on some Christmas card inspiration for you guys using one of our online exclusive bundles called the Seasons of Green and Gold. It's a large bundle that's available in our online exclusives section of the website right now, and it's gorgeous. And it comes with two different paper packs, actually one paper pack and one vellum pack, which I have here, and it comes with stamps, and those stamps come with dies, and these are absolutely gorgeous. And then it also comes with a set of sentiment die stamps, and these also come with dies. Now, I have shown you in previous videos how I store my dies that coordinate with a stamp set right inside of the case of the stamp. So I have everything all together. However, sometimes there are stamps that coordinate with a set. They're the same name, but they are very, very useful dies that I would want to use universally. And so I'm going to show you that. This is the stamp set, Greetings of the Season, and I've opted to not store my dies in there. Instead, the dies come in an envelope like this, and I have the phrase. And what I did, I have the phrase, I have the sheet that tells the name of the dies. And what I did was I still took one of my magnetic sheets and I took the dies off of the sticky backed cardboard that they came on, and I put them right on the magnetic sheet, and that is going to go right in my case like that, face up, so I always know what the dice look like. And then I will put the title piece on the back side just like that, so I have the name of the dies. And I will end up storing these separately, but I did still take it apart and put it on the magnetic sheet. So that bundle comes with both of these sets and the dies, and it comes with vellum and paper. Today I'm only going to concentrate on the vellum, and this is called the Graceful Greenery Vellum. And of course, all of these can be purchased separately. You don't have to buy them as a bundle, which is nice. When you buy them as a bundle, everything comes together and it's slightly discounted. But look at this vellum. It is gorgeous. You get two sheets of 3 different patterns. So you get this beautiful leaf pattern, and then you get this very pretty white. It almost looks like snow. I see so many possibilities with this for scrapbooking. And then you also get this 2 sheets of these branches vellum. And I'm here to show you something that is really, really spectacular about Stampin' Up! Dies. They like to make their dies work with the paper to cut out pieces that you could use directly from the papers. Okay, so see, well, here's one. Let me pull it out. See this right here? You could literally put it on the piece you want to cut out, cut side up, just like that. And voila, you would have a piece that you're going to need for your card with no cutting necessary. And the same goes for the pattern paper. This is the full pack. I will go ahead and open it. It's called Season of Green and Gold Specialty DSP. And it is designed in a similar way, which this is something I really, really appreciate about Stampin' Up! They coordinate their papers in a way to make them useful for those that want to stamp and those that don't want to stamp. So I'm going to show you this one right here, and I'm going to pull out this little die. I think it's this one. Yep, okay, I've got too much going on. Let's clean some of this off so you can see. There you go. Now look at this. This die right here coordinates so that you can cut out these little images. Wait, is it this one? I got to figure out which one it is. and there's a couple of them. So let me pull this one out because this is the one I'm actually going to use today. And you'll see, there you go, I was doing it wrong. It is going to cut out the images right on the paper, so no stamping is required. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Wait till you see the layouts we have with this set. It's going to blow you away because so much of it is just from cutting out the images from the paper. So let's get started. Let me move these out of the way. And all of these cards were inspired either by Stampin' Up! Or by Artwork Online. And I'm going to zoom in and I'm just going to show you this card. So it is a standard A2 card, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And it's going to come together so quickly because I already have everything pre-cut. And so I just wanted to give you an idea of how fast and easy it is. The only stamping is right here on the sentiment Merry Christmas. This little guy is cut out right from the pattern paper. And then this sentiment piece that I'm going to be using, it is cut out directly from the Greetings of the Season dies. So it is this one right here. And can't you see how many different ways you can use this forever in all kinds of things? And love all these sayings. So I've pre-stamped it. And this is close to my heart evergreen cardstock with evergreen ink. Look at the size of these tags. Look, think scrapbooking. I can see so many fun uses on my scrapbook layouts using this. And I know many of you that watch my videos, you are scrapbookers. This is what you come for. So just introducing you to a few things that you'll be able to use on your layout. But I'm going to go ahead and just put this card together really quickly. And because I have done a whole bunch of scrapbook pages with this paper, I only had scraps of vellum left, and I didn't let that stop me. I used the scraps that I had so that I could still make a card. And all I'm going to do is add a little bit of adhesive. I'm using the Close to My Heart adhesive runner. This is available on the Stampin' Up! Website. I was very glad that they were able to carry this over. I love this one a lot. So I'm just going to add a little. It won't show through when you add it right over the leaves. And I'm going to put this right down on the card front. And I'm going to do the same on this little guy. So just, whoops. Did I just finish this? Yikes, I did. That's okay. Oh, and I don't have more adhesive. Okay, but that's okay. We'll show you how it's going to go together. So then we will set this piece down. So I've just left an even border all the way around. And then the next that I'm going to put on is this little guy. And then I am going to use the Stampin' Dimensionals from Stampin' Up! And I'm going to add a little bit of dimensionals right on the back of this. I might use more than you need, but guess what, you guys? You know I use less than Karen Patterson. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is our toffee cardstock. Oh, here we go. And I'm going to add that right over it. Okay, then we'll take off the release paper on the back of the dimensionals. Okay. And you know, this card is beautiful. It would not have to be a Christmas card. I could see this card being used for a sympathy card, a wedding card, a fall card, so many different things. Okay, now what I'm going to do is add adhesive just to the bottom edge of this piece. And I'm going to do it to the back side of this. I love having the glass tray because the adhesive is going to come right off. Look at that. Rolls right off. All right. I'm just going to stick, let's see, about like that. Okay. And then if I wanted, I'm going to move it over just a little. I could even, just to hold it in place, put one dimensional right here on the back. There you go, hold that down. And then to finish it off, I love, love, love all the embellishments we now have to play with. And I am using these adhesive backed metallic gems. I think they're just beautiful. And gold has been the one I have used completely up. You can see I only have silver and copper left. So I think I might hold off on putting those on till I can order more of these gems. But aren't they pretty? You get so many with this one pack. 120 it says. 120 of them on this one pack. But there you go. There is my first quick video on using the Seasons of Green and Gold. Let me zoom back. As a card to inspire you guys to maybe get started on some of your Christmas cards, or just to give you ideas of ways you could add to your stash. So again, this is the bundle, the Gold and Greenery Seasons of Green and Gold bundle, and it comes with the stamps and the dies and the paper and the vellum and all of the things. So please leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought, if you had any questions, and come back in the next few days. I will be doing card number 2 to get you guys excited for the upcoming holiday season. And if you haven't liked or subscribed yet to my channel, please feel free to do that if it's something you would enjoy. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.